Hello guys, you're welcome back to Niger News and Entertainment. Ultimate Love star Teresa pranks her partner Ike into a hilarious but heartbreaking April Fool. Ultimate Love reality TV star Teresa, born Ifeoma Teresa Ugoji, has given her ultimate love partner and boo Ike Nnama the hardest prank of his life as April Fool. In a video shared by the Imo State born, she was spotted crying uncontrollably until Ike was also seen trying to make her stop crying, unaware he has been put on a high jump. However, after some time, Teresa jumped up and shouted "April Fool," leaving Ike in a glaring moment as he looks up and down with his heart heavy while he recovers. Sharing the video, Teresa wrote, "'Cause it's April Fool's Day, I decided to prank my baby at Ike Nnama. Knowing fully well he is the king of prank himself and being very smart, I only had to use a pain. He can't stand it when I'm in pain. Enjoy guys." In a repost, disappointed Ike wrote he was totally confused, thinking what has prompted his babe to start crying as early as that morning. Call me hard guy, call me hard guy. Even king of pranks, but when it comes to my baby, I'm all sold out for whatever cause it may be. But walai, at Teresa, this prank enter me sha. I got confused. I love you, my numero uno. Okay, guys, I hope you enjoy this news I brought to you. Please don't forget to subscribe if you are new and also hit on the bell icon to get new notifications when the story drops.